8 pools, 2 water parks, a wave pool, and a lagoon pool covering more than 55,000 square feet, right at the center of it all. If you're traveling to Punta Cana with kids in 2026, Lopesan Splash Cove is probably the most interesting resort that is open all year. But there's one thing about booking here that decides whether your family gets the best version of this resort or the frustrating version, and it has nothing to do with the room category. Lopesan Splash Cove Resort, Spa, and Casino open on July 7th, 2026, as a family-focused property in Lopesan's 3-resort expansion in Bavaro, a project worth more than $350 million that added over 1,000 rooms to Punta Cana in a single day. Splash Cove is the one built entirely around water and around families. In this video, I am covering what it actually offers, why its position inside the complex matters more than most people realize, the honest catch for the all-inclusive plan, one thing you specifically cannot access, even though you are in the same complex, and whether this is the right one of 3 for your trip. Let us get into it. Lopesan opened 3 resorts at once, all sharing one connected campus. Caoba Lagoon is a hub, Serenity Bay is adults only, and Splash Cove is a family resort. Guests of all 3 share the main facilities. So on paper you might think it does not matter much which one you book. It matters. Here is why. Splash Cove is the closest resort to most of the pools, and it sits directly beside the brand new water park. So if you are traveling with children, the difference between booking Splash Cove and booking one of its siblings is the difference between walking out of your building into the water park and walking across a campus with wet kids and pool bags every single day. That is the single most useful thing I can tell you about this resort. The amenities are shared. The proximity is not. If water is the reason you are coming, book the resort that is standing next to it. The property has 242 rooms, and you are about 10 miles from Punta Cana International Airport, which works out to roughly a 20-minute transfer, one of the shorter ones in the Bavaro area. Los Corrales Beach is nearby, and you have private beach access through the complex. This is the whole reason Splash Cove exists. So let me be specific about what is actually there. Across the complex, there are 8 freshwater pools. The centerpiece is a lagoon-style pool spanning more than 55,000 square feet, built with real stones and natural plants. So it reads as an actual lagoon rather than a swimming pool. Around it are SEH and OHT-style pools, quieter, nature-inspired spaces surrounded by greenery and waterfalls, which is where parents tend to end up while the kids are elsewhere. Then there's the loud stuff, and there's a lot of it. 2 water parks, AKWHT Water Park and Splash Island, with slides, splash zones, and interactive water features. A wave pool with rolling waves. And water park access is included in your rate. That is worth confirming because at a lot of resorts that kind of attraction carries a separate charge. Beyond the water, there is sports and fitness programming, dance classes, live shows, and nightly entertainment. For a family with kids of different ages who want different things, that spread is genuinely hard to match anywhere else in Punta Cana right now. The 242 rooms are designed in soft, earthy tones with vibrant blue accents, and the resort describes them as an extension of the outdoors, bright, spacious, with terraces or balconies. Some rooms open directly onto the pool, others look out over the greenery. If you're traveling with kids, that pool access category is worth pricing out. Being able to step from your terrace straight into the water changes the rhythm of a family day. No packing up, no walking back and forth, no negotiating with a 5-year-old about leaving. It usually costs more. It usually earns it. Splash Cove has 9 restaurants on the property, plus the shared dining across the complex. But the real dining story here is the Boulevard. The Boulevard is an open-air promenade at the heart of the connected campus, designed to work less like a hotel amenity and more like a modern town center. It has chef-driven restaurants, cocktail bars, nightlife venues, shopping, an 820-seat theater and casino, all in one walkable stretch shared by guests of Splash Cove, Caoba Lagoon, Serenity Bay, and the original Costa Bavaro. For a family resort, that is a meaningful advantage. It means the adults are not stuck choosing between a buffet and a buffet after the kids go to bed. There's a night out available without leaving the campus or arranging transport, which is exactly the thing most family all-inclusives fail at. Now, the 3 things you should know before you book, because this resort is only weeks old, and there are real caveats. First, the all-inclusive plan has edges. Across these Lopesan properties, guests report that things people assume are covered show up as paid extras in the booking details. The spa, the casino, bowling, and babysitting services among them. Babysitting matters especially at a family resort. So do not assume. Email the resort before you travel and ask for the written list of what carries an additional charge. Then confirm it again at check-in. Second, there is something you specifically cannot access. The adults-only areas at Serenity Bay next door remain exclusive to guests staying at that resort. So the shared campus concept has a limit. As a Splash Cove, guests you get the Boulevard, the pools, the water parks, and the shared restaurants, but not the adults-only spaces. If you were imagining sneaking off to a quiet adults-only pool while grandma watches the kids, that is not how it works. Third, this resort is 3 weeks old. Its opening was pushed back. It was originally targeted for spring, then tentatively June, and it finally opened on July 7th. Travel forums are reporting the normal opening phase friction across these new Lopesan properties, with guests being reassigned while operations settle. That is standard for new resorts. It is also a real reason to book a rate with free cancellation, which costs you nothing and protects you completely. Quick comparison, because you are choosing between 3 resorts that open the same day. Book Splash Cove if you're traveling with children, and water is the point of the trip. Its proximity to the parks is the entire argument, and it is a good one. Book Caoba Lagoon if you want to be at the social and dining hub of the complex, with the widest restaurant lineup on your doorstep. It has also had the strongest early guest reception of the 3, with around 80 reviews and genuinely positive sentiment. Book Serenity Bay if you want adults only, but watch my separate video on that one first, because its early guest reports include some serious booking issues you should know about before you pay. It is linked in the description. On price, Splash Cove is positioned as a 5-star family resort, and opening period rates in Punta Cana typically sit below where they settle once a property establishes itself and the reviews come in. That is a genuine opportunity with any new opening. Here is where you save. Lopesan runs introductory and promotional offers on its own website that do not always reach the booking platforms. The launch promotion for these 3 resorts was published on the brand's own site first. So compare the direct rate against the booking sites before you commit. It takes 2 minutes, and on a brand new resort it regularly wins. My honest verdict. If you are bringing kids to Punta Cana and you want the best water experience available on the island right now, Lopesan Splash Cove is the clearest answer that exists in 2026. 8 pools, 2 water parks, a wave pool and a 55,000 square foot lagoon, with a boulevard giving the adults somewhere to go at night, is a combination nothing else in Bavaro currently offers. Go in knowing 3 things. It is weeks old and still finding its rhythm. The spa, casino, bowling, and babysitting are not part of the all-inclusive, and the adults-only areas next door are off-limits to you. Do that, book refundable, and this is one of the strongest family bookings in Punta Cana right now. If this honest review helped you plan smarter, subscribe to Punta Cana Todo Incluido, because that is exactly what we do here. Real, honest reviews of Caribbean all-inclusives, so you book the right one every time. And if you are still deciding between the 3 new Lopesan resorts, watch my Caoba Lagoon review next. It is on screen right now. Travel smart, and I will see you in the next one.